Oh, does anyone want to play Squid Games? No one wants to. Ritual, play that stupid Squid Games. And go away, little kid. Go back to a different code. Hey, who said that? You know what? That is the blue guy. Everyone, report him. He just literally being mean and bullying. I'm reporting you right now. You know what? Beep! Beep, beep, beep! You know what? You kids are really annoying. I haven't even said no, but all I'm doing is just saying that no one want to play Squid Games. Actually, everyone, report him right now. He just be mean. He's just be mean. He's being mean to me. Everyone, report him. I'm reporting you to now. Hey, that's really rude, you know. I'm actually reporting you doing that. Why is everyone reporting me? You know what? That's really enough now. Everyone, you're spam reporters!